Hey guys, this is Satya. Hope you all are doing well today. Welcome to HTML tutorials. Today we're gonna learn about basic concepts of HTML for beginners to understand what is HTML, what are the concepts of HTML and the abbreviations and the basic understanding of how to create a website. Now let's go ahead and start our training session. In this particular training session, in this particular video, we're gonna cover about the below mentioned topics like HTML abbreviations, why do we use HTML, and the extensions to be used in HTML, basic information of creation of web pages, how to give titles, understand the heading concepts, inserting images, and body tags. Now, what is the abbreviation for HTML? The abbreviation for HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. It is a markup language, it is a script, and the abbreviation for the same is Hypertext Markup Language. Why do we use HTML? We use HTML for the creation of the websites. And the extensions to be used for HTML are .html while you're saving the files. HTML program will be entered in a notepad. Ideally, if you want to go ahead and create a web page through HTML, you will have to use your notepad. So now I have opened my notepad and I would like to go ahead and start the basic creation of the websites. The first step in order to create the HTML page would be opening tag with an HTML. So now let's see how this works. Whenever you're trying to start a HTML program, you will have to start in this way. You will have to open a HTML anchor tags. Along with the anchor tags means the left and right arrow keys. You will have to write HTML, and this is the closing HTML. So everything of this particular page will come in between these particular HTML tags. After this, the next important concept over here would be header. Head. So for the head as well, you will have the opening and closing. The opening will be normal head and closing will be /head. In this head, we will be going ahead and giving the header, and we will be giving the title. So now let's give a title to a page. Title is also mentioned in the same way. Open bracket, title, close bracket. In the same way, you will be writing it over here. We'll be using the anchor tags. So now let's give a title to our page. Let's give a title as my web page. In this way, once you give the title to a page, it will be automatically reflected. Now let's save this particular file. We'll save this on desktop with the name mywebpage.html and select the all files. That is saved. Now let's try and open it. This is the one. So now if you can observe this, here it is written as, I'll close this. If you observe, here it is coming as my web page, which is the one that which we are using right now. So after writing the header, now we will go ahead and start the body part. In the same way, we have the opening and closing for body as well. So here you can write anything and everything, whatever you would want to write. So in body, let's write Now let's save this and go ahead and refresh this. Did you get? Hello, welcome to web world. So in order to give a specific font for this, or if you want to highlight this particular thing, you can go ahead and highlight by using the heading column, which is H1. We have 6 headers: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. In this way you'll be getting different heading sizes. Now close this H1, save this and refresh. You'll get this in this particular way. So once you get this, if you want to write something in the body part, you can go ahead and write it. This is my first web page. Save this, refresh over here, and this way you'll be getting it. So now if you want to write some more information over here, now let's go ahead and refresh. If you see here in the notepad, I have written in the next line that this is cool to understand. But here in the output of the web page, everything is coming as continuous. So in order to break this particular thing, what we can do is we can use a simple tag called break tag, which works as BR, and this is a self closure tag. We do not have any opening and closing, we have a self closure tag. So now refresh. In this way you will be getting it. So here you cannot, you are seeing the lines one by one. If you want to give this as a paragraph, what you can do is give a paragraph to it, which is starting with P and which ends with P. Save this, refresh, and this way you will be getting this difference. So in this way, now you have given the web page, the web title, you have given the header, you have written the notes on the body, and you have tried to give the prepare the paragraph, and you have given a break in between as well. Now if you want to go ahead and write another paragraph, I will try how it looks like. Here I'm trying to utilize another paragraph. I've saved it, done a refresh. You can see the observation over here, the output. This is really very good and easy to use. So in this way you will be able to identify and you will be able to write and differentiate the two different paragraphs. And now we have learned about the paragraphs. Let's understand about the lines in between as well. So we will go ahead and we will try to insert a line in between these two paragraphs. If you want to go ahead and differentiate these two paragraphs, what you can do is you can simply write it as HR, which is a self closure. Go ahead and refresh this. You can understand that there is a line which has come over here. So in this way you will be able to get a line in a specific format. Now we will try and understand about the new concept of adding an image to the website. Adding an image is very simple. Image src is equal to, now you will have to give the path, write the path in this. This path is already available on my desktop, so that is the reason I'm giving this. You'll have to close this, try to get the output. In this way you'll be getting the output. If you want to give a size or Obed, you can go ahead and do that. So if you see this, here we have written the heading. You have tried to given the bifurcate the lines in between. You have given the pages. The paragraph is written. You have break up. You have given a breakup. So in this way, we will be able to identify and we will be able to create a web space. So this is a basic understanding of the HTML, guys. In this particular video, we have learned about how to create a website by using the HTML. We have understand the concept of head, we have understand the concepts of title, and we have inserted an image as well. We have understand the concept of giving a line in between the body concepts and the paragraphs. Hope you all have loved and liked this particular video and understand the basic concepts of HTML. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe for our channel and please like our channel and please post your valuable comments as well. Thank you so much, and we will be going ahead and sharing more videos for you to understand and for you to learn this particular HTML concepts. Please do watch our web space for more information. Thank you so much.